Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to edit your Instagram story after posting it. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram application. And now just go ahead and view your story. So now here you can see the three little dots at the lower right corner of your screen, so just go ahead and click on that. And here you can click add mentions, and then here you can add the user that you want to add or tag a user. Also, what you can do is to click again on the three little dots at the lower right corner of your screen and click on story settings. And then here you can change the settings, like you can enable save to camera roll, you can edit who can reply on your story, or you can change the hide story from. So that is the only thing that you can do once you posted your Instagram story. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it's it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.